I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the precise service and error message. That tells you the rate limit rules. Next, gather essentials: account ID, email, the problematic phone in E164 format, and timestamps of verification attempts. While you collect those, have an alternate phone and photo ID ready for identity checks. This speeds recovery. Once done, pause any repeated attempts. Retrying makes throttling worse. Make sure to document every step, because support will ask when you request an exception or manual reset. You now escalate through official support. Open the in-app help or email the verified account address and attach screenshots plus timestamps. Explain succinctly why the limit triggered, automation, device change, or repeated verification, and include the phone number and any transaction ID. Ask specifically for a phone unlink or manual reset and request a temporary verification code if available. If you get an automated response, reply with the same detail and ask for escalation. This prompts human review, and you finish by using any support sent codes, confirming the phone link, and testing login right away to ensure the problem is resolved. Then, make prevention changes. Enable two-step verification with an authenticator app, register at least one backup number, and note trusted devices for account recovery. If support cannot reset immediately, switch to an alternative phone or wait 24 to 72 hours for rate limits to clear. If things still fail, contact support again and request an explicit timeline or escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.